guys, welcome back. Super noisy, sorry. So I had to switch these wires out. These were 12-2, so I had to switch it for 10-2 because these are going to be 30 amp. Those are not the right symbol for what's going on here, but these are going to be 30 amp plugs. So I switched these out, which was just super easy. I just pulled out the old wire. All the clips were already there, so I just clipped the wire in and it was good to go. So that's just going right up to the ceiling right there, so it was super easy. Just had to ground the boxes with the 10 wire. So anyways, nothing out of the ordinary there. And then put the mud ring on this one over here with the 2 gang. And then I was working on the switches. I don't know where I'm going anymore. Anyways, I finished the home run right here. I got that ran at the beginning of the day when I tried to get that done while no one was here. So I got that going across the ceiling right here. Just shot one up in the middle of each of these. Trying not to trip while I walk. And then I mounted the home run box right here. So I got that one coming in on the left, and then the other home run for the other circuit coming in on the bottom right there. And that one just goes over to the wall right here and powers up this second lighting circuit, which is the blue line on the print. Had to cut this box in right here and cut this box in right here since the sheetrock was already there. This one turned out pretty good right here, not too bad, but this one kind of got blown out right here, which is unfortunate. Actually, they already fixed it, so that's cool. So anyways, yeah, I guess someone came in here and fixed it, so that's cool. Basically, the corner of it just got ripped off. I think this is it right here or something, so the corner of it got ripped. Actually, no, this is it, so the corner of it just got torn off or whatever, so some of the sheetrock was showing the white part of the sheetrock. So anyways, got this circuit done right here, or yeah, I think I got the circuit done, well, almost. So there's the switch leg right there. The home run's coming in from the ceiling to the home run box, and then I got the switch leg, which is just the one I showed you, going up to there. And then I got one power wire going out to this way over here to power up this switch, but I couldn't finish that yet because I think they need to put a stud back in here. So I got that power wire just sitting there on the ground, which I should coil up. And then the other power wire goes to this switch box right here. And then I got the one power wire and then the 2 power wires going out, one going over to this switch over here, and the other one is going over to this switch right here. So instead of hopping across the ceiling, I just took one way and one the other way, tied them both into here. Still need to put the mud rings on some of these boxes, and then the switch leg, of course, just goes up and over to the light. And then this will be for the lights in the ceiling, and then since there's 2 lights, got the second light tied in right here, so those 2 lights right there. So hopefully this gives you an idea how the circuits work a little bit. So just like power in, power out, and then the switch legs. And then I'll take you over to here. So got the power coming in, and then just the switch leg going up, and a coil right here, which will meet in the ceiling for a light. And then same over here, this one will meet with that light. Where is it? I lost it. So it's this wire right here, and then it's sitting right there. So that'll meet up with that other wire. So right now these don't have any power because they'll be coming into that wire right there, but these 3 are tied together right here. And stuck that wire in the plug box right here. So that took up most of the day, and then yeah, I think that's everything I did. I don't know. They went by really fast. Oh, and then this one over here, same thing again, just the power in, and then the switch leg up to the light, which is just a coil wire right now. So that's what I got going on today. Super nice day. So just basically working in these rooms right here. I guess it's just these 2 bathrooms. Started working on that room, and then the electrical room, and then the 2 wires over there and the home run across the ceiling and the other home run. So I think that's everything I did, and then just putting on some mud rings and stuff like that. So super nice day, 9 hours, so went by insanely fast, which is just great, and 99% good day. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And gonna be doing some pipe tomorrow for the low voltage sleeves that I didn't get to, and then putting on mud rings, but basically finished up all the little details I had to, all the little to-do things I had to do on this floor for the most part. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow on Friday. Thanks for all the support, guys, and God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.